Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a text from an image in Photoshop. First, duplicate the layer of your imported photo by clicking Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Then, right-click on this layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then, choose the polygonal lasso tool to select your text that you would like to remove. Draw around the text. Now go to Windows and select Actions. A small window will appear here. Tap on this folder-like icon to create a new set. I will name the set My Action. Click OK. Now create a new action by tapping on this plus icon right here. I will name this action Remove Text and click Record. After that, go to Select and choose Color Range. Set the fuzziness value until you see only the text. Hit OK. Go back to Select, tap on Modify and choose Expand. Here, fill in Expand by 3 pixels or more. Hit OK. Now go to Edit and choose Fill. In this Content section, make sure to choose Content Aware. Click OK. Then, wait for the process to finish. Finally, go to Select and choose Deselect or tap Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Back in the Actions window, click on Stop to stop recording. And that's it. You have now successfully removed the text from an image in Photoshop. If you're not satisfied, you can repeat the process until you no longer see the text. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!